Which AI prompts will speed up your interior design? How can AI make your design process effortless? What prompts will unlock your best interior ideas? Do you want to design faster and better in Planner 5D? AI can help. In this video, I'll go over 10 prompts that'll speed up your workflow and boost your creativity. These prompts will help you with designing, decorating, finding inspiration, and so much more. Before we jump in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, try out our 7-day pro trial where you can unlock all of our design features completely free. Not quite sure where to start? Well, don't build from scratch, just ask Bernard. You can ask him something like, can you find me a 2-bedroom floor plan with a garage in a modern style? Bernard will search the Planner 5D gallery and show you the closest matches. Then you can copy the project and start customizing. If you're new to Planner 5D and you need some help navigating the platform, you can ask Bernard anything like, how do I switch to imperial units? He'll give you clear instructions and a link right to the FAQ article. Want to add some quick decor to your room? Select the room you want to design, and then you can give your command. In this example, I wanted him to turn this into a bedroom. He'll ask you for your preferred style and then completely transform the space. Bernard will always give a detailed explanation of his improvements so that you know exactly what was added. If you want more control, you can always put in the furniture yourself and then ask Bernard to fill in the space with other decor. Then select the room and tell Bernard to decorate the room. He'll fill it with stylish decor, making your designs pop. If Bernard added too much decor, you can always customize it. In this example, I wanted to add a mirror, sculpture, and a pet for fun. Bernard will quickly place the new decor items for you, and after that, you're free to move them around wherever you'd like. Ready to personalize your furniture? You can even have Bernard make adjustments to the materials of your furniture. Just make sure to select the item first so that Bernard knows which item you'd like to customize. Then he'll walk you through the customizations you asked for and give you the option to make further adjustments if something isn't quite right. You can even change the entire room's materials with one prompt. Leave it to Bernard and he'll adjust everything instantly. You can even ask Bernard to give you designer opinions. Just select the room and ask, what else can I add to make the room feel more cozy? Some of the improvements Bernard suggested in this case were adding warm lighting, soft textiles, and incorporating plants. Looking for the latest design trends? Ask Bernard, what are the latest design trends? Which styles are popular now and which are going away? As you can see, he had a lot to say and gave some really great advice, like adding more textures, incorporating vibrant colors, and adding natural materials. He'll even give you the links to the Planner 5D blog so that you know exactly where to look for more information. And when you're done, you can just say, thanks for your help. You may go, Bernard. And he'll close the chat for you. Which prompt was the most helpful for you? Let us know in the comments. Also, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and start your 7-day pro trial to unlock all of your design potential. As always, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.